Want to know what's my impression for the Gear S3 after using it for 2 years? Today I will talk about this coming up. After I used it for 810 days, I can tell you right now, Gear S3 is pretty amazing. The battery life is still lasts more than a day, and my goodness, this is amazing because I use it for ice hockey, biking, even cameras, and this watch is still lasts more than 1 day. It's pretty good. Consider it's 2 years old already. It is 810 days. Just imagine. The new iWatch right now doesn't even last more than 2 days, but this watch Gear S3, even I use it for so long, it lasts more than a day, right? It's pretty amazing. So a lot of people will ask me, what's the difference between the new watch, Galaxy Watch, to Gear S3? Well, the difference is, one, have a bigger battery life, and secondly, you can go down 50 meters instead of 1.5 meters. So why do I not to get the new watch? Because I don't need those functions, and my old watch is still working fine, right? A lot of people still ask me, why do I need a smartwatch? Well, just imagine if your phone ran out of battery, you're charging your phone, your watch still able to talk, you still can answer call, you can still reply message, emails with your watch without going through your phone when it's charging. So it's pretty handy and useful. And just imagine, out of 810 days, I only pay $400. Just imagine how much the watch right now per day. It's pretty cheap. So consider to get a smartwatch if you don't have any. Gear S3 is pretty amazing, and I will highly recommend you to consider that watch if you on a budget and you want to get the smartwatch but don't want to spend that much. Gear S3 should be one of the choices for you. Subscribe my channel, share this video, and have a nice day. Alright, bye, peace out.